Hello, Geeked Foo. Rawdawg Rory here, and Oregon is just blowing us away. We could not stay away from the falls. We've been there once, but we had to come back again because it is just too absolutely freaking amazing. And you know, one thing I really want to encourage all of you out there who are taking part of this challenge and working to improve your health and get out there and live your life, I want to say one of the best things you can do is take advantage of any opportunity you have to interact with nature around wherever you're living. Even if you're in the city, if you have to travel a bit to get to somewhere that has some natural beauty, go for it, do it. It is well worth it. I mean, look at this. This is just absolutely amazing. Hold on, I don't want to interrupt someone else's shot we got going here. Let's just sneak by if good. And I want to show you, well actually me and Shadow are going to show you just how up close and personal you can get with these waterfalls here in Oregon. Take it away, Mama.
Can I get in there? Oh my God!
Now that was refreshing. See yous.